See what Nnamdi Kanu demanded from Nigerians before his hearing that made DSS not to bring him to court on Monday, July 26th. Ifeanyi Ejiofor, the lawyer to the leader of the indigenous people of Biafra, IPOB Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, has urged Nigerians to remember him, Kanu, in prayer, as the IPOB leader will be appearing in court on Monday, July 26th, and he doesn't want to repeat of Kenyan experience in Nigerian custody. The lawyer noted that nothing would change the day of trial. As earlier scheduled, there had been speculations that Kanu's case might not come up in the said date, courtesy of the annual vacation for Nigerian judges. The judges' vacation is expected to start on July 26th and would end on September 17th, 2021. However, in a statement on that very Friday, Kanu's lawyer, Barrister Ejiofor, revealed that the case will be called up for hearing as scheduled. He wrote, "We have just received a confirmation from Federal High Court, Abuja, that the hearing on our client's case above referred will still go on as earlier scheduled on Monday next week, being the 26th day of July 2021. The lawyer also urged Kanu's supporters to offer prayers to God for him and for the legal team. Remember Mazi Nnamdi Kanu and the entire legal team in your prayers. Thank you all and remain blessed," he wrote. Mr. Kanu had earlier said via his lawyer that he was held incommunicado and chained to a bare floor for 8 days in a non-script private facility in Kenya. He said no warrant of arrest was shown to him or even mentioned to him, according to Mr. Ejimako, another of his lawyer. Kanu was, in point of fact, tortured and subjected to untold cruel and inhuman treatment in Kenya. He said his abductors disclosed to him that they abducted him at the behest of Nigerian government. The lawyer said he was blindfolded and driven to the tarmac very close to the plane without passing through the airport immigration. The plane departed Nairobi at about 12 p.m. and arrived Abuja in the evening. Kanu was flown to Abuja in a private jet on Sunday, 27 June 2021 from Jomo Kenyatta International Airport, Nairobi, and he was the lone passenger. He added, Mr. Ejimako said Mr. Kanu was interviewed for the first time by 3 SSS officers in his presence. The interview was revealing as it contained certain new allegations that were never heard of before, but all the questions relate directly or indirectly to his status as the leader of IPOB. I observed that despite what he has passed through, he was in high spirit and looked forward to overcome the extraordinary rendition that brought him to Nigeria, the lawyer said. You know what is still amazing me? What is still very much amazing me is the denial of this Kenyan government, despite the tactics, the idea they applied in extraditing Nnamdi Kanu. At first, arresting Nnamdi Kanu, the idea they applied in arresting him, and the idea they applied in extraditing him and handing him over to the Nigerian government. You see how Nnamdi Kanu was extradited. They never passed through the main traveling hall. They have to pass through the tarmac when nobody will see them, because they know that if they pass through the main hall, for the traveling main hall, definitely people will identify Nnamdi Kanu and there will be a commotion, and from that commotion, definitely Nnamdi Kanu will be rescued. So they have to, pass through the tarmac. You see that? So for these people to be saying that they know nothing about the extradition of Nnamdi Kanu makes them a confirmed liar. They will have that. They will definitely answer that in court. See, Kenya, as far as I'm concerned, Kenya plays the major role in the trial of Nnamdi Kanu because they are the initiator of this trial that Nnamdi Kanu is passing through. If they have not arrested Nnamdi Kanu, the Nigerian government will never have gained access to his arrest and detaining. So they are the ones that initiated it. Nigerian government called them for a compromise. They concurred and carried it out. So they should not just say that. They should not just repeat that statement of we don't know anything about Nnamdi Kanu's arrest and detention and extradition. It is a typical lie. It is a complete lie. They are denying it because they have seen that the case is now a very tough one, and they have seen that Nnamdi Kanu, the person who they arrested, is having an upper hand and a support from higher personalities. So they are afraid. So Kenyatta should not just make that statement because the world is already aware of Nnamdi Kanu's real arrest and how he was arrested, who arrested him, how they started it and all of that. So he should not just start. You understand? You should not just start. So my dear viewers, so this is the reason why DSS refused to appear. I knew it. I knew it that DSS cannot just decide not to bring Nnamdi Kanu to court. Something has prompted them not to bring him to court. Something. I knew it that story that we are telling that is due to logistic reason. It's not it. It's not it, because everybody was countering it. How can logistic reason stop you from bringing Nnamdi Kanu to court? Pure lie. Logistic reason. I mean, when they have many cars at the custody there. Oh shit! Because of the information they got from Nnamdi Kanu's lawyer, they become tensed and full of fear. So they decide not to bring Nnamdi Kanu to court. With that, see, they will all be exposed. Definitely, they will surely be exposed. No matter how they try to hide themselves, they will still be exposed. I am assuring you. They will not and will never escape it. They will not escape it. They will not escape the rods of the law. You understand? They will not. So my dear people in the house, let me hear from you. Let me know what your take concerning this may be. If you're new, don't forget to leave your comment below the comment box. Click on the subscription buttons as well as the bell buttons to get updated each time we upload any new videos. Thank you.